Hi, we're K&M DIY, and for this video, we are going to be making some Play-Doh. Now, let's get started. For this DIY, you will need a spoon, a bowl, some crayons, and cornstarch. Now let's get started. First, you will need to cut your crayon into tiny pieces. We're cutting 3 crayons because we want lots of Play-Doh. We're just gonna continue doing that for all 3 crayons. Now put them into the microwave for 30 seconds. When they're melted, just mix them up. It's time to add the cornstarch. You may need a lot depending on how many crayons you put in. So the crayons were hardening on us, so we decided to pour in some water, and that started to work. So this was the finished product. It started crumpling a little bit, but if you add some soap and knead it in, it does help it stick together and become softer. It's really fun to play with, and I think it's a really fun thing to do if you're bored or if you just need something to do. So it's really fun to try it out. So that's it for this video. We hope you try it out. It's really fun to do. Alright, so we hope you subscribe and like the video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.